Ghislaine Maxwell, the former British socialite, has faced a significant setback in her legal battle. On Tuesday, a federal appeals court rejected her appeal against her sex trafficking conviction, reaffirming her guilty verdict. This decision marks a critical moment in the high-profile case that has captured global attention. Maxwell, now 62 years old, was convicted in December 2021 on charges of aiding Jeffrey Epstein in his exploitation of young girls. The court sentenced her to 20 years in prison in June 2022, a sentence she has been challenging ever since. The appeal, heard by the Second U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in Manhattan, upheld all 5 of Maxwell's convictions and deemed her sentence procedurally reasonable. The crux of Maxwell's argument for overturning her conviction was centered on a controversial 2008 non-prosecution agreement between Epstein and federal prosecutors in Florida. This agreement, she claimed, should have protected her from prosecution, as it was intended to shield Epstein's alleged co-conspirators. However, the appeals court dismissed this argument, stating that the deal was specifically negotiated with Florida prosecutors and did not extend to other jurisdictions or cases. In addition to challenging the scope of the non-prosecution agreement, Maxwell's legal team argued that her trial had been unfair. They contended that the trial was tainted because one of the jurors had failed to disclose his own experiences of sexual abuse. Yet, the court dismissed these claims, maintaining that Maxwell received a fair trial and that the juror's background did not warrant overturning the verdict. Maxwell's legal team, led by attorney Arthur Aidala, expressed profound disappointment with the ruling. Aidala announced plans to escalate the case to the U.S. Supreme Court, asserting, "We are cautiously optimistic that Ghislaine will get the justice she deserves from the Supreme Court of the United States." Throughout her trial, Maxwell faced harrowing testimonies from 4 women who recounted their abuse at the hands of Epstein, facilitated by Maxwell. The witnesses described how Maxwell had recruited and groomed them during the 1990s and early 2000s, luring them with promises and gifts before leading them to Epstein. The judge overseeing the trial rejected multiple attempts by Maxwell's defense to dismiss the case, including claims of inadequate preparation time and undue delays by prosecutors. As Maxwell continues to serve her sentence at a low-security prison in Tallahassee, she remains eligible for release in July 2037. The court's recent ruling underscores the challenges she faces in her ongoing fight for legal redress. The outcome of any further appeals will be closely watched as the case continues to unfold. Stay subscribed for more videos.